One sunny day, a curious little squirrel named Squibby discovered an old wardrobe in the woods. "This is unusual," Squibby thought, rubbing his furry nose. "I wonder what's inside." With a cautious hop, Squibby opened the wardrobe door and stepped through. Suddenly, he found himself in a land filled with snow and magic, Narnia. "Wow!" Squibby marveled, his eyes wide with wonder. "This place is amazing." He met talking animals, saw a beautiful queen, and learned about the magic that kept this land alive. Squibby was so happy, but he also felt a heavy weight in his heart. Narnia was in danger, and he knew he had to help. With the help of his new friends, Squibby embarked on an adventure to save Narnia. They faced challenges, but Squibby's courage never wavered. In the end, they managed to defeat the evil that threatened Narnia and restore peace to the land. "Thank you, Squibby," the Queen said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You are a true friend of Narnia." Satisfied and proud, Squibby hopped back through the wardrobe, carrying memories of his magical adventure that would last a lifetime. Back in the woods, Squibby closed the wardrobe door, knowing that the magic of Narnia was always waiting for him, just behind the old wardrobe in the woods. Good night, my dear friends, and remember, if you believe, magic is always just around the corner.